I just need to finish up the door harness here, so I have some, uh, pigtails for the ND. Then I'm just gonna wire in to everything, and then inside I'm gonna do something pretty similar with the window switch here, and just get that wired in and working properly with the PMU. And then I also have this PWM fan controller to control the cabin fan over there because I gutted all the stock electronics. And so the logic needs something to control the fan speed, unless I just want it to be full on and full off. But this, now I have a knob to control the speed of the fan, and then, I can click it on and off. We got the fuel system in here. So you can see we got the feed line, return line, regulator all mounted up. And then we got this little like 3D printed bracket back here. I do have a gauge to go on the front here. That's just plugging it up temporarily, and then, I'll set base pressure with the gauge. And then this line just feeds the rail and deadhead, so nice and clean. I do have an issue with the intake couplers here. So if I put a 90-degree on the Skunk 2 manifold, it doesn't really work with the Fly Miata intake piping for the intercooler. Reason is this throttle body just sits further forwards than stock. So it pushes this pipe too far forwards and doesn't let a sway bar through the front there, which is pretty important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a 135-degree coupler, and that's going to kick the intake back a bit, and then I'll get a 45 made out of the aluminum here, and then get a bung welded onto it. And that should make enough room to get a sway bar through here. Because if I move it too far forwards, then I start hitting this, and then I'll have issues with that. From the regulator coming back, we got the fuel filter right here, and then this is the return line up to the tank, so that's good. We need to make some brackets to secure it, but you can see there's some spots for bolts there. You probably can't see that, whatever. Anyways, got the transmission mount in as well. And then drive shaft. All this needs to be measured up and angled properly, but that's nice and stout, very sturdy. And then you can see all the way down there. Oh, good focus. No. That's the down pipe, got that started. One thing is this kit didn't come with the nuts here for the drive shaft, so that's a little bit annoying, but not a big deal. We'll get those and get that taken care of.